Welcome to an exciting episode of Get Mobile with Coco, where each week, Coco explores the CareCredit Mobile App while on her many adventures. In this episode, Coco shows us how to find our way around the message center and set up notifications. Like Coco here, CareCredit customers have things to do and places to be, and you don't always have computer access to manage your CareCredit account while navigating life's turbulent waters. Cannonball! With the CareCredit Mobile App, you can receive notifications about the status of your account anywhere and anytime you choose. It's easier than the doggy paddle. When you log in, go into the Message Center by tapping More at the bottom of the screen. If you have a new message, you'll see a red notification in the Message Center tab. Looks like you got a new message, Coco. Here, you'll receive exclusive cardholder news, updates, offers, and all sorts of other cool treats. To receive notifications, tap the arrow at the top of the screen until you're back at the More screen. Tap App Settings, then Notifications. Enabling notifications will allow you to get account alerts and important updates, so you can focus on other things, like improving your backstroke or working on your tan. Hey Coco, what are we going to learn next week? We'll look at that. It's all about learning how to get where you need to go on the CareCredit Mobile App, where you'll find providers and how to pay with your digital card. See you next week on Get Mobile with Coco.